Hi everyone, you must have noticed a new feature of YouTube which splits the progress bar according to categories, and you don't have to listen to the whole video. You can jump to the specific part of the video directly. Earlier there used to be annotation wherein if there are a list of songs, you can click on the song name and jump to that song directly. But that annotation was removed, and now YouTube has come up with this new feature. Now this idea is borrowed from other website. Now how to do it is fairly easy. You just have to add these sections in your description. You just start with 00 and list all the sections till the end, and the progress bar will be split at these intervals, and even the text will be shown beside the progress bar. For example, if you jump to here, you can see notification access shown, whatever is written here. Not everyone has this feature as of now, but it will be available to everyone soon. Even in mobile you can see this progress bar split, and user can jump directly to the specific section. It is specifically helpful when you have top 10 movies or top 10 music, and user can jump directly between songs. T-Series has already put this progress bar split in few of their video jukebox. This is a short video on a new feature of YouTube. If you are a YouTuber, try and incorporate this feature in your video and see how it looks. Don't forget to subscribe if you like the video. See you in another video soon. Have a nice time. Bye.